There is a revolution in the way we design and build. Trends towards lightweighting, automation, new materials and overall cost down are driving engineers to find new ways to bond beyond their typical assembly methods. One way to meet these new challenges is with the use of 3M VHB Tape LSE series. The modified acrylic construction of the 3M VHB Tape LSE series makes the difference. It resists cold, hot and cycling temperatures, as well as difficult environmental conditions like UV light, moisture and solvents. It provides a durable alternative to rivets, welds, screws and other mechanical or thermal fastening methods. What makes this tape truly special is that it can be used without primer on a number of traditionally difficult to bond to substrates such as polypropylene, thermoplastic olefins, thermoplastic elastomers and composite materials. This versatile bonding solution removes priming from your production process, increasing productivity and reducing the use of hazardous chemicals in your facility. The 3M VHB Tape LSE series is an excellent bonding solution for applications in many markets, particularly in bus, rail, truck, appliance and signage manufacturing. If you are interested in learning more about this and other ways you can help improve the efficiency of your assembly process, visit the address below and ask a 3M expert today.